I'm Rachel Salazar, Sales Executive, and welcome here at Photon, Bacolor, Pampanga. So what we have here is our Photon 2025 Tunland V9 4x4 Automatic, the flagship of our Tunland series. Tunland V9 is luxury full-size pickup truck bigger than the Photon Thunder. As you can see sa front ng ating unit, meron siyang large dimension na napaka-manly at elegant looking niya. Here in the hood, we have a very wide hood with Photon emblem. Grille design naman po is a honeycomb grille design with gray accent grille dito sa kanyang lower part. Dito sa kanyang headlight, we have the projector LED headlight with LED daytime running light with sequential turning signal light. And dito naman po sa lower part niya, we have the halogen fog lamp with steering responsive, which is kung magle-left or magle-right po kayo ng turn, kusa po siya mag-open para mag-guide niya kayo kung saan man kayo pupunta. It has a 2.0 Ocon turbo diesel engine, has 161 horsepower with 450 Nm of torque. And this is our side mirror po. Bali naka-body colored na din po siya with LED turning signal light. And meron na din po tayong blind spot camera dito sa kanyang baba. And manual fold po siya, but it has a power adjust po. We have the wheel size of 265/70 R18, all tire terrains na po siya. And ang suspension niya po dito sa harap natin is double wishbone, while sa rear end naman po natin is naka 5-link coil spring na po siya. And sa ating brake system naman po is naka all-disc brake na po siya. Now, dito naman po sa ating door handle, combination na po siya ng body colored and chrome accent. And naka smart entry na din po ang ating door handle. Para sa clearance ng ating unit, meron siyang 240 mm. And dito sa lower part natin, meron tayong metal na stepboard. Tamang-tama pang off-road para sa mga mahilig magbundok po. And hindi po siya basta mababasag dahil metal na po ang ating stepboard. Here at the back naman po, we have our third brake light ng unit natin. And we have the reverse camera. And sa lower part naman po, we have the 4-eyed sensors. Ito po. Ang tailgate po natin is naka-hydraulic assist na po siya, both side po. Kaya pansin nyo, kahit sobrang laki ng unit natin, hindi po siya ganon kabigat yung pagbaba niya. Ang bed liner po natin is, this is not a piece of plastic po. It is a hard spray-on. It's make durable po in the long run. And ang kayang i-load po ng ating bed is 825 kg po. There are something I really want to show you guys. Check on it. Yes, it's a rear step po para meron tayong access sa ating bed liner. Now, this is our door panel. Ang material po niya is naka-brown leather with orange stitches po siya. And ito po yung ating control para sa mga window. And this one is control para naman po sa ating side mirror. And this is the central lock control po. Para naman po sa driver seat natin, meron siyang 8-way power adjust with lumbar support. And while sa passenger seat naman po, same material, brown leather with orange stitches, diamond pattern. It has a 4-way power adjust. And ang total po ng seating capacity natin is 5 seating capacity po. So, you have all the controls po dito sa ating steering wheel. Like for your audio controls, dito sa right. And dito naman sa left is yung ating cruise control and gauge control po. Dito sa ating left. Ang ating steering wheel is electronic assist na po siya. And telescopic na din po siya. And it can be tilted na rin po. So, para naman sa ating instrument cluster, meron siyang 12.3 inches. It has readouts all you need for your drive. And dito naman po sa center screen natin, infotainment system, meron siyang 14.6 inches, ready for Apple CarPlay, and Corvette Link, Bluetooth, and many more. And dito po sa kanyang baba, meron siyang physical button. So, nasa driver na lang po kung saan po yung komportable niyang gamitin. And dito naman po sa kanyang lower part, meron tayong wireless charging po. And this one is the shifter po ng ating unit. And meron siyang 2 rotary controls for driving mode and wheel drive mode. Meron tayong auto hold, park assist, and hill descent control. And kung mapapansin nyo, sir, meron tayong napaka-laking armrest dito sa ating likuran. So, open po natin. Meron tayong full compartment. So, kung meron tayong baon, like for example, water na ayaw natin na gusto natin na malamig, so pwede natin ilagay dito. So, meron na rin siyang sliding tray here. And dito sa back po niya is meron na siyang aircon para sa upuan natin sa likod. And dito naman po, meron tayong ambient lights. Yung ambient lights natin is napapalitan siya ng mga color kung anong gusto nyong color. Which is pag naka-red siya at nagbi-blink siya, ang ibig sabihin nun is malapit na tayong may matamaan sa likuran. So magbi-blink po siya ng red. So meron din tayo ditong glow box. Naka-hydraulic assist na rin po yung ating glow box. Tunlang V9 retail is 1,998,000 and you can avail it for as low as 168,000 all-in down payment. If you avail this unit, you can get the free Laos Group Cares 24/7 road assistance for 1 year with 32,500 worth of benefits, plus free tint of Uperoptic Essential. Its warranty for 5 years or 150,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. For more info and other inquiries, feel free to call this number at 0908-810-8550 or you may visit our showroom located at Jose Abad Santos Avenue, Cabalancan, Bacolor, Pampanga. And please do like our page, Photon Bacolor, Pampanga. Again, I'm Rachel Salazar, your sales executive here at Photon Bacolor, Pampanga.